Tropical diseases encompass all infectious diseases such as malaria, lymphatic filariasis, African trypanosomiasis, leishmaniasis, onchocerciasis, dengue, and chikungunya occur solely in the tropics and thrive in hot, humid conditions. Approximately 1 billion people from tropical and subtropical areas covering developing and least developed countries of Latin America, Caribbean, Africa, South Asia and Southeast Asia are affected by these diseases. Due to global warming and increase in the temperature, many infectious diseases have resurfaced with vengeance, making it difficult for health authority across the world. Crumbling health infrastructure, reduced investment in public health, and a new variant of drug resistance infectious disease have wreaked havoc in the developing countries.
A mild form of hallucination is known as a disturbance, and can occur in most of the senses above. These may be things like seeing movement in peripheral vision, or hearing faint noises and/or voices. Auditory hallucinations are very common in schizophrenia. They may be benevolent, telling the subject good things about themselves, or malicious, cursing the subject, etc. Auditory hallucinations of the malicious type are frequently heard, for example, people talking about the subject behind his or her back. Like auditory hallucinations, the source of the visual counterpart can also be behind the subject's back. Their visual counterpart is the feeling of being looked or stared at, usually with malicious intent. Frequently, auditory hallucinations and their visual counterpart are experienced by the subject together. The basis of all life on Earth is the cell. All creatures on Earth are made of cells. I am not gonna dwell on the biology of cells, and much it is not that relevant. But I do want to point out a few things. First of all, there are two sorts of cells. As we think all the prokaryotic cell, which is fairly simple and it is the thing that all bacteria are made of. And then we have a eukaryotic cell, much more complicated beasts on the right, which did not appear until well into the history of the biosphere on Earth. And there are many single-celled eukaryotes. But there are also an importantly multicellular organisms, and all of those are based on the eukaryotic cell.